Good morning, guys. It is early in the morning, and this little girl took my spot. She's so cute. My skin is actually looking good. We're back from the walk. I took a shower. I'm slowly getting hungry. But yeah, let's talk about it. I'm actually trying to be more active, to go out more. Because, since I moved to Canada, I noticed that I'm way less active. So, for the ones that don't know, I was born and grew up in Berlin, in Germany, and I also lived very close to a subway station. So I walk 5 minutes and I am there. And I feel like at that time I did not know how beneficial that is. I just didn't take it for granted. At the same time, I feel like my mental state was the few years before I left not really amazing. I was in a really bad state. I didn't go out that much anymore, and then when I moved here and I noticed how much more car-centric it is, of course it is a big shock to get used to that. You have to drive everywhere, and for me something that is so random was you have to drive to a park. Of course, it's where we specifically live, you have to drive most of the time. But yeah, I don't know. I feel like things are less convenient, and I started to not be that active here. And of course, I gained weight. Not that much, even if that would be fine too, but yeah, it's so many things I feel like I have to go through and to accept. I don't know, it's just a completely different lifestyle. Yeah, so I'm trying every day now to go for a walk when the weather is good. I think I also have to accept how my body's changing. I'm 30 now and I'm turning in less than a month 31. And yeah, I don't know. I feel like sometimes I'm thinking about that time where I was very thin. I would say already underweight. And now it's different. I keep comparing myself sometimes with the body I had when I was way younger. And yeah, I don't know. I don't know how to feel about this. It feels weird. It feels like I want to accept how my body looks, but I also don't want to. I feel like I'm not willing to accept how it looks right now. I think losing weight for health benefits is good, but of course, sometimes I'm not sure. Do I want to lose weight because, I feel like also right now on social media you see how the beauty standard for women is changing again. We tend to idealize thinner body types again. I thought we moved on from that. I thought we did so much work to understand that cellulite is fine, textures is fine, not being super skinny is fine. And I don't know if I'm observing that correctly, but I'm a little bit confused, and I feel like almost a little bit triggered because it brings me back to that time when I was a teenager and I tried to lose weight, what I did at some point in a very, very unhealthy way. I think especially now with the weather getting warmer, and I really, really love wearing oversized tees with just some shorts and sneakers. Seeing my legs, sometimes I feel like, oh shit, is that too much? Is that looking bad? You know? I don't know. But I also feel like since I moved here that people are less judgy when it comes to body types. Again, that's just my personal observation, but I had this feeling back home in Germany that people judge a bit more about how you look. Or I felt more judged, I don't know. But I felt like I cannot wear what I want. Yeah, we drifted away a bit. Anyways, I feel like I'm also kind of hungry. I think I'm gonna eat a little bit. Yesterday I was planning to get a present for our friends. They're coming home tonight, and we wanted to buy them a little present. And they're like foodies, and I wanted to get them like a really nice olive oil, some pesto, like a little basket with some foodie stuff. But we couldn't find something. I don't know, usually I find really, really good stuff at Marshall's, but this time I couldn't find anything and it was getting late. Yeah, I don't know. The best thing we could find was a little bit chocolate. I got this one, and I thought I'd do a card. Like, I'm an artist. I should do something. Let's do that together. I'm gonna do that very soon. I got some food there. I'm gonna eat that, and then we're gonna do the card together. Yeah.